Hi, in my previous video, I said we can try this problem. Now, let me work it out for you. So, the sum of two consecutive numbers is 123, and we have to find the numbers. And I had explained in my previous video what are consecutive numbers. Now, so based on that, I am just going to proceed with the problem. So let us assume the two consecutive numbers. First one is x. Let us assign the first number as x. And the second number as, it will be x plus 1. That is the second number. Now x plus, this is the first number, x plus 1. This is the second number. It will be equal to what? 123. Now can you remove the parenthesis here? X plus 1 is equal to 123, which is 2x plus 1 is equal to 123. Now can we solve this? We can easily subtract minus 1 on both sides. So what do you get here? 2x is equal to 1, and plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. 123 minus 1 is what? 122. Okay. Now 2x is 122. So can we divide both sides by 2? Yes. So if you divide this side by 2, you got to divide this side also by 2. So 2x and 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Now x is equal to what? 122 divided by 2, it is 61. Can you find the next number now? What is the next number? X plus 1. That is equal to 61 plus 1, it is equal to 62. So what are the two consecutive numbers we have to find out? It is 61 and 62. The answer is 61 and 62. Hope all of you would have done the same way. You can ask your doubts in my comment section. You are free to ask any doubts in the comment section. Please do. Okay, that's all for today. Bye-bye.